Maria loves classical music and her sister does blank. A2, B also, C so, D either. Again, for verbal ability question number 8, Maria loves classical music and her sister does blank. A2, B also, C so, D either. You may comment your answer. Okay, Lejnam, A, May May, A, Seth, B, and her sister does. Jinky, A, Maydal, A, Hilda, so. Again, another tip, we try to fill in the blank. Let's say, for example, Maria loves classical music and her sister does too. Maria loves classical music and her sister does also. Maria loves classical music and her sister does so. Maria loves classical music and her sister does either. That's time consuming, no? That's why it's vital that we know when to use these words para just seeing it, it will just parang tipong ching, oh, that's the correct answer. C, so. D, either or. Different answers. But most of you know, most of you answer letter A. Maria loves classical music and her sister does blank. Well, let's try to reveal the answer. For number 8, it's letter, if you say 2, that is the correct answer. Maria loves classical music and her sister does too. To means also. Kaya lang sabi mo, Coach, yung also na andito sa choice natin, sa choices natin. Bakit hindi siya? 'Di ba? If you are so familiar with the signal words, um, ano tawag sa mga signal words? Transitional devices, transitional markers, saan natin nakikita yung also? Is it at the beginning of the sentence, of the statement, or at the end of the statement or the sentence? Yung also, di ba? Ito transitional markers to eh. Transitional device. Kasi ang sabi, miss yung to, also din siya. Oh, may also tayo sa choices natin. Bakit it is not the answer for this particular question? Why? Because yung also, ginagamit natin siya. It usually appears before the main verb. Eh, alin ba yung main verb natin dyan? Remember ha, our main verb is the action word. Sabi niya, also usually appears before the main verb. Ang main verb natin. Sige nga po, pwede po bang malaman? Could you please type in, comment kung ano ba yung main verb natin? O, tama naman po yung mga comment ng ating mga viewers. Sabi nila, beginning po, sa beginning po ginagamit yung also. Very good. Good observation. Kasi 'di ba, yung also usually appears in the main verb. Ano bang main verb natin dyan? 'Di ba yung loves, Maria loves. Hmm. Kung dito siya sa unahan, also Maria loves classical music. Ano po? Pero nasa dulo siya and her sister does too. Yun naman yung counterpart niya. Kung sa unahan yung also, yung to natin ay sa dulo po. O, bakit hindi so yung sagot natin? Because it required pattern naman. O pwedeng so does her sister. May pattern siya. Kung love ko yung classical music, so does my sister. Loves niya rin yon. Ano po? Pag naman yung either, it is used in negative sentences. And sometimes, lagi pa siyang may kapartner either or, di ba? Tapos yung neither nor. Ano po? Loves, ayan.